Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Fernando, and I'd like to welcome you to Vidnami. Vidnami is an online video creation platform that helps you grow your business using the power of video. You see, we now live in a video-first world. According to Cisco, video now accounts for more than 80% of all internet traffic. People watch more than 500 million hours of video each day on YouTube. And over 500 million people watch videos on Facebook every day. So if you're not using video in your business right now, then you're missing out on one of the most powerful ways to reach new customers and grow your business. The good news is that Vidnami is the most versatile video creation platform available today. Let me show you all the different types of videos you can create with Vidnami. The first type of video you can create is what we call influencer videos. Influencer videos allow you to upload a video of yourself that you record with your smartphone or your webcam. You can then drop images or other clips over the top of your talking head to illustrate what you're talking about. Here's an example of an influencer video made with Vidnami.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I'm just about to do school pickup and I thought I'd make a quick video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get, which is what's the best type of microphone to use for creating videos? The mic we use is called the Rode SmartLav Plus, and there's 3 reasons why we love this mic. First of all, it delivers fantastic quality audio.
By regularly creating influencer videos like this, your online audience gets to know, like, and trust you. And as you build a large worldwide audience, you'll find that every promotion you do is much more effective and more profitable. And best of all, Vidnami makes creating influencer videos incredibly quick and easy. Okay, the next type of video you can create with Vidnami is content videos. To create a content video, you simply take a blog post or article, drop it into Vidnami, and then the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically select clips from our library of over 790,000 professional clips from Storyblocks.com. You can then record or upload a voice track and quickly create content videos that are perfect for social media. Here's an example of a content video made from a blog post.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2.
If you've been blogging for a while, you can use Vidnami to convert every blog post you've written into a professional video and quickly build up a following on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Now, the next type of video that many businesses need to create is video ads. Vidnami comes with a built-in library of instant ads that allow you to create professional ads in less than 2 minutes. All you have to do is choose an instant ad template, customize it with your business details, and you'll instantly have an attention-grabbing ad to use on social platforms like Facebook. Here's an example of an instant ad made with Vidnami. Now, the next type of video you can create is something that every business needs. It's a sales video. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to end up sounding like a bad used car salesman. In fact, a good sales video simply explains how your product can help your customers solve a problem they are facing. All you have to do to create a professional sales video in Vidnami is drop in your sales script, tweak your scenes, and render your video. Here's an example of a sales video made with Vidnami.
Would you like a free holiday? Most people assume that they can't afford a family holiday because the cost of travel and accommodation is way out of their budget. But what if I told you there was an easy way to travel to exotic destinations with your entire family and pay nothing for accommodation? That's right, $0. My guess is you'd be skeptical, which is completely understandable. So let me explain.
Sales videos like this are now the most effective way to sell your product or service online. Now, another great way to use video in your business is to create videos to communicate with your customers after they buy your product. You see, Vidnami is without a doubt the fastest way to create online course videos and training videos that explain how to use your product or service. For example, here's part of an online course video created with Vidnami relating to health and fitness.
Hi guys, and welcome to video 5 of the Fit Mom Nutrition module. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my top eating tips. These simple tips will help you to stop stressing out about food and allow you to put your healthy eating plan on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering...
So there you have it. You've now seen an example of some of the different types of videos you can create with Vidnami. You can make influencer videos to grow your online audience, create content videos from existing blog posts, produce attention-grabbing ads in a matter of minutes, create video sales letters to convert viewers into paying customers, and produce online course videos or training videos to communicate with your customers. So be sure to grab your free trial of Vidnami and try the system out for yourself. So click the button on this page and start your free trial now.